Mazda key fobs typically use a standard coin cell battery like a CR2032 or CR1620. To open the fob for battery replacement, first locate the seam on your key fob, usually along the key ring side. Insert a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to break any clips during this process. For models with screws, use a small Phillips screwdriver to remove them before prying open the case. Once open, pop out the old battery, noting the correct orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's firmly closed. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons to confirm they work. In rare cases, about 5 to 10% of the time, you may need to cycle the ignition or consult your owner's manual for key fob syncing instructions. If you encounter any issues, double-check that the battery is properly installed or that you have the correct battery type.